Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen escape characters. So in today's video we are going to see string methods. Okay, so this is first part of string methods, and now our first method is case fold method. So case fold method is basically similar to lower case. Okay, we have seen lower method if you remember, right? This in a modify string video you can see this is lower method, right? So case fold is very similar to lower method, and case fold is even stronger than lower. Okay, so you should keep practice of using case fold rather than a lower method. Okay, so first I will write text. So a equals to um, apple, banana, and mango. Okay, right. Okay, now let's say I want this string to be in small cases. So first I will write few uppercase. So A for apple, B, and M. Okay, so I will say print, and I will write A dot case fold, and I will just run this. You can see everything is in lowercase now. Okay, so our next method is capitalize method. So this will basically first character of the string. So if I say print a dot capitalize, oops, for your kind information, like I have uh, wrote this a small b to just to show you. Okay, just to show this method. So if I run this, then you can see first character is now capital and here it is small. Okay, so this is a capitalized method. Then another we have count. So if I write print a dot count, so this will basically count the word which is repeating again and again. So if I copy this apple and paste it few more times, okay, and if I write this apple in this count method and run this, then you can see uh, apple is 4 times here. So first, second, third, and fourth, so we have 4 times. Okay, so here it is showing us 4. So next we have center method. Okay, so center method basically aligns your string in center using specified characters. So if I give you example like print, okay, then I will say b dot center. So first let me create the variable b equals to, I will write apple only. Okay, and I will write dot center. Now here you need to specify the length, like let's say I want 20, and I want to align that string in between. Okay, and I want padding of stars. So if I run this, then you can see from starting it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 8 plus 7, and you can also you need to consider these apple characters also, so total is 20. Okay, so it works something like this, like if you need to pass the total length, how much length you want, and the padding. You can also write another special characters like dash. Okay, if you write dash, then it will align with dash. Okay, any character you want. If you will write d, then it will align with d. Okay, so this is center method. Then another we have ends with. Okay, so print. Now this ends with method will return you boolean value. Okay, so if I write a dot ends with, and if I write o, you can see, oops, you can see our last character is o. Okay, so it should return us true. You can see we got true. So if I write any other character, then it will return us false. So this is ends with method. Then another we have find method. So if I write print, then if I say a dot find, here I need to pass a particular character which I want to find. So I can write let's say p. Okay, if I do this, and this will return index value of that character. Okay, so you can see this is showing us 1, so it is p 0 and 1. So positive indexing starts from 0. I already showed you uh, in our slicing, I think, yeah, in slicing video, a string slicing video, I showed you how indexing works. Okay, so this basically returns index value. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. So in next video we are going to see more methods for string. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.